in the beauty of environment. You can see our surrounding full of nature without any pollution. And what is environmental pollution? The pollution that happens in the environment. For example, dirty water means water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, sound pollution. That means total 4 types of environmental pollution. That are air pollution, sound pollution, soil pollution, and water pollution. So everybody, what is soil pollution? The pollution that pollutes soil. Yes, everybody. Have you seen the farmer who give fertilizer to the soil? Yes, everybody. That is very bad for soil because this fertilizer of soil, decrease the fertility of the soil. Pesticides, chemical, this all decrease the fertility of soil. As a result, the crops cannot be grown. You see, there are many crops around us. These crops cannot be grown if we give pesticides and chemicals. So, as a result, we have learned that this crop has not been given pesticides and chemicals. If they are given, they can't grow wealthy and properly. And you can see there are many crops. You can see I'm in the nature, and you can see various kind of crops. These crops are very fresh and very good for your health. So already, if we give pesticides to that plant, and if you eat these plants, you will die. As you know, plants are the medicine of all diseases. So if we eat the plant with chemical and fertilizer, is there good plant? No, they're very bad plant. So already, we have to not give chemical fertilizer. Sorry, chemical and pesticides. Now we'll go to air pollution. The pollution that pollutes soil, air. The pollution that pollutes air. So already, if the black smoke emitting from the car, anything, these black smoke are mixed with the soil and causes air pollution. For this air pollution, various kind of people get served of these diseases like lung cancer, kidney damage, etc. So everybody, let's see. So everybody, I think you have seen the picture. What can you see in the picture? The people are suffering from various kind of diseases and they can even die. So everybody, let us see this environment again. There are many crops around us and trees. Look at the trees here. Everybody. These trees are very fresh and beauty of the environment. If these trees are absent of air pollution or die by air pollution, there are no beauty of soil, of our environment. You can feel this beauty. You can express your feeling by this beauty. But if there is no plants, no crops, you can't express your beauty, or you can't express your feeling. So everybody, you have question that why this topic are indicating air pollution? Yes, everybody, air pollution can harm the plants. You know that the plant intake harmful carbon dioxide. And they intake, so the plants can be die or the crop can be die. There are many crops. If the air pollution is very much, the crop will die. Every crops will die. No crops will be there. So everybody, these crops are the beauty of our nature. Remember, and do not pollute the air. Now, what are the impact of air pollution? Let us know. The impact of air pollution are kidney cancer, as I say, kidney cancer, lung cancer, liver loss. These are diseases, everybody. Now let us know how air pollution cause. Air pollution are happen because for the black smoke is emitting from the car, black smoke is emitting from the industrial mills, factories. These are the causes behind the air pollution. So everybody, now let's go to sound pollution. What do you mean by sound pollution? And why sound pollution is very harmful for you? Okay, ready? Suppose you're in jam. You're in jam. Here, if the sound come, horn come, that if the horn come in your ear, yes, ready, the horn is coming. Is this horn is irritating you? If the horn is very irritated because this horn make your ear loss. The ear can be damaged, Hitachi. For you, you can see in different kind of situation. In your life has come. You are in a school bus, suppose, and there is a jam, and horn is coming, and horn is coming, and horn is coming. So it will hamper your ear, and headache will come. Your head will be painful for you, and you will cannot think anything except feeling hurt. These are the causes of air pollution. The horn coming from the bikes or cars, and already you can see in your neighbors that they are playing high volume music. These are breaking your concentrate on education. It also impacts on your education and your life. If this sun pollution happen, your ear will hamper and headache will come. As a result, in the future you will suffer various kind of pain in your life. I think you understand what is sound pollution. The sound with excessive noise that impacts your health, that is called sound pollution. So we have what you have learned. Soil pollution, sound pollution, these are the pollution. Now except water pollution we have learned. Let us know what is water pollution. Here, these plants need water pollution. This plant need water. Everybody, this plant needs water, and if this plant ants are given bad water, they will die. They will very badly die because there is dirty water. We are giving to dirty water. So everybody, what is water pollution? The pollution that pollute the water, that is called water pollution. Okay, everybody, you can see the water is so smelly. Why they are smelly? Because we are giving so much dirty things into the water. So everybody, so this water, smelly water, causes diarrhea, dysentery. There are two types of dysentery: amoeba dysentery and bacterial dysentery. These two dysentery can serve you a death. What do you mean by death? Death, you know, I think everybody fears of death. So this small smelly water can be the reason behind your death. Ever you think that in your neighbor house or in beside your house there is a pond which is very dirty and smell comes. Everybody, please tell to your mom that there is a smell is coming from the water, and please clean your water. Yes, everybody. The water should be clean after 2 or 1 week. Okay, everybody, I think you understand what's about different kind of pollution. So that's all from me, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and tap to the bell icon to get all the notification. Okay, goodbye everybody.